In this client testimonial, hear from Linda, a homeowner from our very first project, where we developed the land, designed the architecture and interior, and built 2 new custom homes. The home in North York was 3,600 square feet, 4.5 baths and 4+1 bedrooms, included a Tarion Warranty and feng shui certificate. In her own words, Linda described what she felt at the time of purchase, and then after 10 years of living in her home.
Hello, my name is Linda. About 10 years ago, Paul and Vincent completed our home, and at that time I shared the impression that was with the quality of the finishes, the attention to detail, and the overall design. Paul and Vince are helpful and attentive every step of the way. They know every bit of the house. They also provide professional service and advice after purchase. The entire process was smooth, professional, and exceeded our expectations. Now, 10 years later, the construction has stood the test of time. The finishes still look great, and design feels timeless. We have had absolutely no issues with the durability or maintenance. The workmanship and materials have proven to be of excellent quality, and our home continues to be a place we are very proud of. I would not hesitate to recommend Avil to everyone looking for a builder who delivered both quality and lasting value.
Contact us at Avil Fine Homes to book a consultation and get started on your custom home journey.